Before buying a 2x4 auto darkening welding lens, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. The differences between lenses are often buried in the specs, and you deserve to know what really works. Product number 1, the King 1. Let's kick things off with the King 1 from Ridge Products. Priced at $79.99, this lens caught my attention with its adjustable shade range from 5 to 13, essentially giving you 9 lenses in one. If you want versatility in your welding projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lens darkens in just 125,000 of a second, offering quick protection from arc flashes, a must-have for anyone concerned about eye safety. Plus, the solar-powered feature means you don't have to worry about changing batteries frequently. It recharges itself as you weld. The clarity is top-notch, and the improved build quality means it's designed to last. With over 745 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many welders trust this product. Now, some people complained about the lens not being suitable for low-amperage TIG welding below 70A. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly working in higher amperage or doing mixed welding styles, this won't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a lens that does it all, especially if you switch between welding types frequently. Skip this one if you only do low-amperage TIG welding, as it might not perform as well. It's a great value for the features it offers. Now, if the limitation on low amperage bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on low amps. Product number 2, the Duke 1. Next up is the Duke 1, also from Ridge Products, priced similarly at $79.99. The eye-catching red front and green-blue weld view caught my attention. If you want the same versatility as the King but with a different color option, this is worth checking out. Just like the King, this lens features a shade range from 5 to 13, allowing you to handle a variety of welding tasks. The instant darkening feature protects your eyes, while the solar power recharge is a huge plus. With a remarkable 4.2-star rating from 745 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. The clarity and improved color spectrum help reduce eye strain, making long welding sessions more comfortable. Some reviews mention that the lens can lose battery life over time, especially if used for low-amperage TIG welding. This is perfect for you if you love the adjustable features and need a reliable lens for various welding processes. Skip this one if you primarily focus on low-amperage TIG welding, as it may not be tailored for that. Overall, it's great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for high-quality clarity. Product number 3, Lincoln Electric C-Series. Coming in at a higher price point of $249, the Lincoln Electric C-Series is a serious contender. This lens boasts an impressive 4.4-star rating from 1,400 reviews, which is hard to ignore. If you're focused on high performance and clarity, this might be the one for you. That means less eye strain during those long jobs. The variable shade range from 8 to 13 offers flexibility without sacrificing visibility. It's lightweight and designed for comfort, making it suitable for all-day wear. However, some users mention that it might be overkill for casual welders or hobbyists. Here's the thing though, if you're a professional or someone who welds regularly, the investment could be worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you need high-quality performance and clarity for professional use. Skip this one if you're a casual user who only welds occasionally, as it might not justify the price. For serious welders, it's a solid investment. Now, if that price tag made you hesitate, you might want to consider a more budget-friendly option that still delivers great performance. Product number 4, Tefua Auto Darkening Lens. Next is the Tefua 2x4 Auto Darkening Welding Lens, priced at $60. This one really stood out with a 4.6-star rating from 598 reviews. If you're looking for something budget-friendly yet effective, this is worth a look. With a shade rating of 10 and the ability to handle low amps down to 5A, it's tailored for those working in specific scenarios like pipelining or pancake welding hoods. It's ultra-thin, which means it fits easily in most welding helmets. The True Color Lens technology provides a bright and natural view, which helps you see your work better without lifting the helmet frequently. Now, some users reported that it may not hold up as well under extreme heat. Here's the thing, if you're working in a standard environment, you should be just fine, but it might not be ideal for more demanding applications. This is perfect for you if you often work at lower amperages and want a clear view without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you work in high heat conditions regularly. Overall, it's an excellent value for the price. Lastly, if you're looking for a more economical option, this next product might just fit your needs. Product number 5, ARC-1 T24010. Finally, we have the ARC-1 T24010 priced at $62.90. With a 4.6 star rating from 2,300 reviews, it's another great option. If you need something simple and effective, this could be for you. This lens has a light state of 3 and a dark state of 10.5, making it suitable for general use. The two independent sensors help improve the responsiveness of the darkening feature. The viewing area is decent at 5.25 inches, giving you a good field of vision. However, some users found it lacking in advanced features compared to pricier models. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out or need a reliable backup lens, this doesn't need to be fancy to get the job done. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need a lens with advanced features for more specialized work. It's a solid purchase for the price. So there you have it. The King 1 and the Duke 1 both offer great versatility, while the Lincoln Electric C-Series is for those serious about performance. The Tefua lens is budget-friendly for low-amp jobs, and the ARC-1 T24010 is a reliable choice for beginners. No matter your needs, there's a lens on this list for you.